Okay, so if you've been online basically at all lately, you've probably stumbled across ads for something called the Rima HoloDesk. It looks pretty slick, right? Claims to be this next-gen portable triple screen thing for your laptop. Instant workspace upgrade. And the marketing. Wow. They're saying lightweight HD works with everything. You get this, a 4.8 star rating from over 40,000 sales. But here's the kicker. The thing that made us look twice. They're selling it for just $64. $64. Supposedly marked down from over 300. I mean, for 3 screens, that just doesn't add up.
This doesn't add up at all. And that's the immediate red flag, the dead giveaway. It's exactly where this deep dive really starts. Our mission today is basically to unpack the source material suggesting this whole Rima HoloDesk setup is, well, a pretty sophisticated tech scam template. It's all built on smoke and mirrors. So let's hit that price tag head on. $64. It's just financially impossible. Our sources show a real, legit triple screen extender costs minimum $200 to $300, and that's wholesale. Yeah, wholesale. And here's what's really interesting. The exact product they show in those slick Rima ads, you can find it on places like Alibaba. The manufacturer's cost is apparently over $250 per unit.
Wait, hang on. So the cost to make one is over $250, but they claim they're selling it to you for $64. How on earth? And how could they possibly sell it for $64 and ship it for free? You'd lose money just on the packaging.
Right, because they don't sell you that product. The analysis points straight to a classic bait scam. It's bait and switch, basically. They hook you with that gorgeous picture of the expensive real deal, the $250 plus unit. They want you to panic buy because the price looks amazing. But what the sources found is that buyers either get a really cheap plastic knockoff that barely works, if at all, or honestly, more often, they just get nothing. The order vanishes.
Okay, wow. So let's dig into how they pulled this off, the mechanics of the deception. Because understanding this is, frankly, crucial for anyone shopping online these days, especially for tech. Beyond that insane price, what are the specific tricks, these psychological buttons they're pushing to make people click buy?
Well, the analysis laid out a pretty standard playbook. It's classic dropshipping scam tactics mixed with creating a totally fake brand identity. Think fake reviews leading to that supposed 4.8 star rating, making up that 40,000 plus sold number out of thin air. And of course, those ticking countdown timers. You know the ones. Deal ends in 5 minutes. Creates that false regency. Gotta buy now.
Ah, yes, the pressure clock. But this next part, this is where it gets really audacious. The fake credibility building. They don't just invent reviews, they're actually claiming they've been featured by huge names like Vogue, Target, even Shark Tank.
Yeah.
That's just wild.
It is wild, and it shows you the scale they're operating at. They just slap those familiar logos on their website. They know a lot of people see Target or Vogue and just assume legitimacy. They don't dig deeper.
So they're borrowing trust from established brands.
Exactly. And connecting the dots, our sources show this isn't a one-off. There's a pattern. The research into this company or whatever it is dug up a previous product. Remember the Rima HoloDesk?
Vaguely, yeah.
Exposed for using the exact same marketing playbook. Same deceptive style, same kind of impossible claims, and you guessed it, using stolen product images lifted straight from Alibaba. It's a repeatable fraud template. So if we boil it down, the takeaway is this. The Rima HoloDesk scam works because it blends these high-end stolen visuals and maybe AI-generated reviews with super low-effort disposable branding. They bank everything on that unbelievable price, triggering an emotional, impulsive purchase before you have time to think critically.
Okay, so what does this mean for you listening right now? If maybe you saw that ad, clicked, and ordered one, what should you do? The advice from the analysis is pretty stark and urgent. RimaTech is basically a ghost. No real address, no real contact info. That 30-day money-back guarantee they mentioned, completely meaningless. You need to contact your bank or your credit card company immediately. Like right now, file a dispute, start the chargeback process. That's likely your only recourse.
Absolutely. And that brings us to a final thought, something for you to chew on. Given how easily established, trusted brand logos Vogue, Shark Tank, Target are apparently just grabbed and used as fake props in scams like this, what concrete steps should you, as a consumer, take before buying any tech gadget online? How do you actually verify if an advertiser is legitimate before you give them your payment details? Maybe the default assumption needs to be that flashy ad is probably lying until proven otherwise.